How's it going, everybody? This is Peter Bush. Today I'm going to unbox a 2022 MacBook Pro M1. I figure I unbox it from the cardboard box because you don't see this very often. I find it very interesting how they package these things. Right away you can see a tear open tab, so you can just rip it open and you're ready to go. Let's tear it open. This is all made out of cardboard to pad things, and it's funny to see this O cutout as padding. Let's just remove this first. The top and bottom are hollow over here. It's hollow over here. These two pieces elevates the main box a little bit, so there is a pocket of air and also two pockets of air on the top. Here it is, the MacBook Pro itself. The top, the side says MacBook Pro. The right side has an Apple logo. The left side has an Apple logo. The top side also says MacBook Pro. And then you have this pull tab over here. Just pull it open. Okay, I guess you just rip open this plastic. That brand new MacBook Pro. Typical inside of the box. Got nothing here, but it's quite thick. Gotta pull this and you take this out. You got the cable, you got the AC adapter thing. They used to use plastic over this stuff, so now it's kind of like a paper-like thing. Maybe it's more recyclable. So it's a little bit bigger than the Touch Bar MacBook Pro. And then you just open this guy. We do have the MagSafe connector, and on the other side is USB-C. USB-C, connect that right in there. Let's see what's in here. There's a really thick piece of cardboard underneath, I guess just for some thickness or weight. Got the sticker, a lot of small letters, and basic instructions telling you where things are. Probably nobody ever really needs this stuff. They really don't even need to include stickers or this little thing anymore, really. And that's it. I think it's all empty underneath this now. So again, they're using this kind of like a paper thing, more biodegradable, more recyclable probably. I'm just using one hand to open it. So it just booted up and there's this little sheet here. Okay, this is like thinner than usual, I think. This little piece of tissue paper type of thing. Let's check out the MagSafe thing. Oh yeah, it's just kind of, how do you pull this thing out? Okay, need some pull. Wow, that's like a couple pound of pull force in order to get it out. Like that. Two USB-C and the audio jack. On the other side, you got the SD card, and I know this can do at least 300 megabytes a second read if you have a good enough SD card. Another USB-C connector and a HDMI port. Previously, I needed to get an adapter just to have an HDMI port to connect to a TV. And also I had a little dongle thing for the SD card. So now I don't need these two dongles anymore, which is great. This is all I'm gonna show in case you're wondering what the box experience is opening it from the package itself. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.